Assalamualaikum. Our group, we would like to present about demo 3, our project, which is a story entry director. Present to my supervisor, Encik Khairul Anwar bin Muhammad Razali. Our panel, Encik Muhammad Azhar bin Ahmad Kamil, and my moderator, Tuan Haji Muhammad Hamzi bin Haji Muhammad Safian. Next slide. Our group members, which is
Okay, my name is Muhammad Idaham bin Abdul Halim, and my metric number is 01DDT19F2018.
My name is Anna Bezgefli. My metric numbers is 01DDT19F2038.
And my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Abdul Razak, number metric 01DDT19F2028.
For introduction, this COVID-19 pandemic is becoming more serious due to its continuous spread globally and unavailability of approach therapy and diagnostic system. Which the COVID-19 pandemic still very a problem, practicing social distancing and staying away from other and especially important. However, this difficult to do in enclosed and crowded area. Our project create to keep track of the number of people in the room and limit the number of the people in area per scene. We go to the problem statement. The first one problem, in COVID condition, the government has set a strict SOP for the limit number of people in a store according to area. What we want to solve, which is government has a pretty SOP that the store only allow half of minimum of customer to enter their shop. So customer must check their temperature before entering any shop. Hypothesis, if the number of the people can be detected and the temperature is recorded, then the number of COVID infection will be reduced and the SOP will be maintained. We pass to our next presenter. So thank you.
Okay, next is objective. We have three objectives about our project. Firstly, due to COVID, all movement are subject to SOP to eradicate COVID-19. To facilitate the implementation of SOP, our project can help and achieve the objective that need to be achieved to build a record of people coming in and out so that it is more organized. If the COVID infection can be detected and tracked, the infected area can be closed. Next, SOP that customers need to check their temperature before entering the store. So the next objective, to create a device equipped with sensors to detect the customer temperature. Entrance barrier will be able to ensure customers do not break in while entering the store for distance. Next slide. Okay, the scope of the project. Targeted client for this project are for big store at the mall or shopyard. It is because mostly these big store have more customers than any store. So with this product, their workers do not need to count the customer with manually and can reduce human error, which is it can make the store break the SOP that has been organized by MKN. Okay, next, project significance. Our project is more to manage the situation at the entrance during pandemic COVID-19. Our purpose is to arrange the customer admission into the shop or store with recorded data and details.
Okay, next for my part is I will explain about the cost planning. So this based on the slide, we have the three type of cost, planned cost, and actual cost. Okay, for the first cost is for the infrared sensor. We plan to buy we budget for this cost is 30 ringgit, and the actual cost is just for 10 ringgit. And then the Arduino board, the planned cost is 100 ringgit, and the actual cost is 50 ringgit. Active buzzer module 20 ringgit, and the actual cost is 10 ringgit. The breadboard 10 ringgit, the actual cost is 99 ringgit. And for the wire, we have planned 10 ringgit, and the actual cost is 5 ringgit. So the temperature sensor, the budget we set is the 50 ringgit, and the actual cost is 30 ringgit. The next item is the DIY barrier. We plan to spend about 10 ringgit, and the actual cost is 15 ringgit. And for the motor DC 12 volt, we plan to buy raise about 20 ringgit, and the actual cost is 20 ringgit. And next item is USB cable. The budget is 5 ringgit, and the actual cost is spent 3 ringgit. And the other component we prepare about 25 ringgit, and the actual cost is 15 ringgit. So the total cost for this component is we plan about 270 ringgit, and the actual cost that we use is about RM 167 ringgit. So for the next slide is the conclusion overview of the project. Our project will provide a better control in preventing the movement of customer in and out. It will offer a better and affordable to reduce manpower. This project provide following facilities such as superior controlling, complete entrance with a temperature and pupil calculation device, and lastly, this project will be the starting point to create an advanced monitoring system. So that's all from us. Thank you for hearing our presentation. Thank you.